and then motor compare 密码
290810
290
0 810
810. Okay. And low side of this one. This is forward. This is forward moving. This is the third moving. If you want to make it faster, you can put here. 哎，哪个键键？这个键键。Press quickly. Press this one. Make it press here. Make it a little faster, and then press a D again. Then motor compare, and then you can see you can move it faster and move it slower. Then check this sensor. 拿过来可以斜一点吗 ？Near here, this is slope. Good slope sensor of this one. And here has one. 你就放这里就可以了。Here has one sensor more. 你不用放过去。Here has one sensor more for the hook, for adjust of the needle and hook, for this one. And flat. And 然后呢？然后的话怎么先怎么对位？
它这个片。
And press here the model. Outside, take the model. You can travel smooth. Very smooth. And then from the zero, this automatic move the zero for you. And also the needle from the zero. And then you can change the needle and right, change the needle and the hook, the place. You 这个是不是还得接头跟那个都得找下零位才能对到位的？
对，一头
那怎么找啊？
伸缩复位，
在哪里？
有我认的。
你现在谈到位置了，不就得了吗？
位置在那个这有一个快捷界面里都有，快捷网这里都有。